Hello, today we will be looking at how to generate real estate leads using Facebook advertising. And that means we will be targeting high net worth individuals, investors and buyers, those that are willing and able to invest in your real estate property on Facebook. We run ads to them. We get those that are interested to drop their phone numbers. We call them to qualify them to know if we are going to place them on a nurture bucket or to book a site inspection or have a physical meeting with them or even to close them right there on the phone. And there are several methods, several approaches, several funnels for running Facebook advertising. But today we will be looking at a very simple, very fast and very affordable way so that at the end of this video, in a matter of hours or even minutes, you will have your Facebook ads running and generating those leads of high net worth individuals. This video will be stripped down for amateurs, for newbies, for non-techie people, so that you will be able to apply everything, and I'll move step by step. But before we go on the screen where I show you the step-by-step method, I want to mention that offer is everything. What you're offering these individuals, these prospects or leads, is everything. In a future video, I'm going to teach us about how to have offers that are magnetic, that are high value, that are strong, and they're attractive. This is the key to every marketing. Your offer is everything. So right about now, I will start sharing my screen so that you can follow alongside and copy the exact steps I'm using, and you have your ads running. So first, you come onto your Facebook profile, preferably on your desktop, and you go to create. If you have not done this before, you might see something else, maybe advertising on Facebook. You go to create, you click add. There are several places on your Facebook profile where you can click to start creating your ads, and Facebook are always changing terms there and the position of things, but generally you just look for where they say create ads or manage ads if you've done it before. Basically, the Facebook ad has three layers. There's a campaign level, ad set level, and there's the ad level. Tells you the progression of your ads creation process. And there are three major marketing objectives. Our goal is lead generation. So you just come straight here and go to lead generation. Okay, if you scroll down, you see where it prompts you to name your campaign. Ideally for me, I prefer naming this campaign based on what I'm promoting. Let's say the property is called, let's say Calvary Estate. It doesn't matter what you name it. Campaign budget optimization, leave it on. Set the daily budget to at least $10. You run it for at least 3 days to see how many leads you'll be able to generate. Just leave it like this and click continue. So you see here we've done with the campaign level. Now we're at the ad set level, right? At the ad set level, you also have to name your ad set. So under the campaign, we can have different ad sets, and under each ad set, you can have different ads. So it's like a tree, right? But here I'm telling us we want to make it as simple as possible. So we're going to have one campaign, we're going to have one ad set, we're going to have, let's say, 1 or 2 ads. So you could name your ad set anything. From this position, you can choose the page. If you already have a Facebook page, you will see all of them there. If you click down here, you see all the pages you have, and you select the page that you want the ad to run under, right? If you've not created a page, then you should go create a page before it will appear here, because you need a Facebook page which is different from a Facebook profile. The Facebook profile is what you already have. A Facebook page is more of a business page. Now, if you are also creating a lead ad for the first time, it will ask you to accept some terms and conditions. So you view terms, you just click I agree. We've accepted that. We can now move on. Forget about dynamic creative, forget about catalogs. Now we come to audience. This is where it will help you to target your ideal audience, the people you want to reach. There are several targeting options, there are several ways, but I want to make it very simple for us, right? First here is the location. You want to run your ads to people that are living in certain locations where the people who are most likely to, who are rich enough, who have the money, high net worth individuals are most likely to live, right? I've created some of the richest places in Lagos, so you can target people living in these areas, right? I won't go through all of it. So we select people living in this location. Ikoyi, Lekki, just say yeah. So basically you just go through some of the big places where people who are rich are most likely to live in your location and target that. Now, you for the age targeting, let's say from 30 years and above, and then leave it at all gender. Detailed targeting, this is where you're going to put interest. You might want to target people who are interested in certain things, maybe real estate investing. If you put in mortgage, people are interested in mortgage loans. Furthermore, you could target people who work in some of the biggest companies, so or depending on your location. And finally, you could target people who visit some of the listing websites. So because these people actually go there looking for property to invest. So place your ads in front of people who live in the richest places, who work in the richest companies, who visit websites related to purchasing of property. You type in there and click so that this ad eventually shows to these people. You could use interest-based keywords like real estate, property, mortgage, investment. So investing or investment to people that are interested in investment or investment fund or gold as investment, or people in investment club. So you click those. You could also type words like investing. So you see investing online, people that are investing, property investing, you click that. So the ad shows to people who have interest in investing. You could choose things like property, real estate property. You have to be careful because there are some property managers you wouldn't want this to show to them because they manage. But people that are interested, say property investment, right? Property investment. So you could click that, property investing. People that are interested in that. You could also type real estate investors. So you go through some of these interest-based keywords. You should exclude. Look at this. This is very important. Exclude people who are not investing. Shouldn't see it. So a real estate broker shouldn't see it. You exclude them. They will not see the ad. Real estate agent, broker, will not see it. Realtor. So anything real estate agent, realtor, you don't want them seeing your ads because of course they won't invest. So, and you can decide to save this audience and name it whatever you want, and you save so that next time you don't go through all this process. So let's move on. You move on to your placement. Don't choose automatic placement. Click on manual placement and then disable everything and just leave it on Facebook. And even on Facebook, disable everything and just leave it on feeds. Facebook news feed. It shows on the news feed on PC, on mobile phones, right? Now for the schedule, you have to set a start date and an end date. Test it for 3 days and see how it goes. So 1, 2, 3. So we just keep it at this. So we are running it at $10 per day for 3 days just to start, and just click. We are done with the ad set level and just click continue. So now we are at the ad level. This is where we put our images, our text, our videos, or whatever I want to use. So you could just name it whatever. But to make things very simple, we are going to use single image or single video, and that's why this is selected. This is where we put in the image we want to use. So we select image, we change the image, and then you could browse on your desktop and look for an image. You could just upload, and let me look for something here. Okay. If you have a video, this is where you put your video to. So I'm just using this as a sample image. It's nothing specific. I actually created these with canva.com. I'm going to make a separate video on how to do this. You can use a single image or a single video. For this main text, this is where you have to be very careful. Okay, I have a sample here. So let me just copy these and paste. And here is how the ad reads. Warning: don't buy a house in Lagos without seeing this. You want to buy a house in Lagos but don't want to lose money to scammers and frauders? Let's help. Click learn more below. People lose money in real estate because they do not follow due process or work with certified professional. Hi, I am Malik. Of course, you put your full name. You could just put anything you want there. Your elevator pitch. I help people invest in verified and promising real estate property or whatever, right? This is just to personalize it, right? My team and I have researched, verified, and compiled a list of best property deals in Lagos at the moment. And all the properties in our portfolio go through strict verification process and blah 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 blah. We put these and become a owner, join the link of smart investors. But take action now, because these are hot deals and they will go away fast. Let's talk. Click learn more below. Talk to you soon, Malik. We could just take this, cut these, and just put this like this. So we change this and change this call to action to learn more. Now I'm just taking you to a single path. There are several variations. There are several ways to do this. In fact, this is just a copy. I could just say hello investors. It's just a sample, right? I could just remove all of this and say hello investors. So let's just say I want to use this copy, and let's just paste this. We just skip all of these and then start to secure your dream home with 1 million naira deposit and spread the balance across 36. Some of those details will be gotten when they eventually call. You could just give location, you could leave the price, you could leave the special offer, and whatever you feel is there. So basically the copies can go different ways, but majorly make sure that as much as possible you are clear on what you want them to do. On your offer, you are clear, you have something strong to offer, like you discount if possible, and put some time limited offer, right? So like this one says the promo ends time limited, and as much as possible personalize it. I'm going to do a separate video on copywriting for ads, so you move on to that. You could just put your name here. Most times it's good to put the price so that it could scare away people who are not able to afford it. So call out, be clear, give a open statement, and then put some of these details, your discount, time limited offer, and make it personalized. Have a video or have an image, and then move on. You could just say the investor secure dream home with 1 million naira deposit. Offer expires in 5 days. So you see, we're using another trigger. The first trigger here is we called out attention investor. The second trigger here is a payment plan. It's a very great offer. There is a discount and there is some form of urgency. Offer ends in 5 days. Then to address some of the pains of the investor, like verified documents available, property. Another pain point is property free from interference from individuals, community, and government. Hurry, these deals are moving fast. Click learn more below to book for site inspection and for further details. Let's put location Beju Lekki. For copy, paste, then personalize it. Realtor Malik. You could use emojis. Call out. This is a very great offer. 1 million deposit. Spread the remaining. In fact, let's just put it for site inspection, loan opportunities, and for further details. You click learn more. Offer expires with this trigger here is urgency. Then we address the pain points. The people want to be sure they are not scammed. These are verified documents and that the property are free from interference from. You could put the fact that if the property appreciates very well and you'll be able to get your return on investment in less than 2 years of how many percent. So just make it clear, make the offer very clear. So now let's move on to the form creation. You just scroll down, and you click new form, and here you should name your form appropriately. And for the form types, let's leave it at more. While you are editing your form here, you'll be seeing a preview of it here. So let's come to the intro. So for the intro, something like let's talk, book your spot now. So if you want to change this image here, you can always either use the image from the ad or you can upload a new image, right? Join the League of Smart real estate investors. Just anything, just something descriptive, right? You can put a headline like who should we book the site inspection or appointment for? Enter your details below. So basically I asked for phone number, full name and email, and that's just it. We could just hold this and drag. So full name, email and phone number, and that's just all. If you want additional questions, you could add questions like that require short answer. When are you interested in investing? You could put options: immediately, in 3 to 6 months, above 6 months. What's your investment budget like? Now, also remember, it's based on your offer. The content of your form will be determined by the content of your ad. So next is the privacy policy. Privacy policy here. If you have a privacy policy on your website, you could pull that in. If you don't, you could just use your Facebook page, right? Next is your thank you screen. After they click this and they submit their details, where will they be taken to? So you could say something like the headline here. You could say, "Congratulations, Realtor Malik King will call you shortly." So here, to answer your phone so you don't miss your spot, because these are hot deals moving fast. Don't want to wait? Then call now to secure your spot fast. Then you choose call business button text to say call us now fast. Just to create some urgency. Apart from discounts, urgency is another powerful trigger. And then you put your phone number. Nigeria, then you put your phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we have our thank you page. Immediately they fill in their details, they'll be redirected to this. Immediately they click this, your phone will ring. Before we leave this page, we will come to settings. Under the settings, you leave this at English, leave it open. You come up here and save. If you want to come back and make changes later, save this form as a draft. So you click save, and then this is our form. Everything is created. When they click in, they learn more, they'll be taken to the form where they'll fill in the form, and then they will book appointment. Then they will have the option of calling you, and when you're done, you confirm. When your ad is approved, it will start running, and they'll be showing some of those people living in the richest places, working in the richest companies, visited sites that have listing of property, maybe they intend buying. Also, you target people that are interested in investment, in real estate, in mortgage loans, in investing in property. So when you are ready to retrieve those leads, those people's numbers, so that you can start calling them, you come to your Facebook page. That's your business page, right? When you come to your business page, you go to publishing tools. Under these publishing tools, you come down to your forms library. You'll be able to see the forms that you've created here, and you simply click on download. It will ask you if it's SCV, XLS. You open it up, you can download the list. You see the names of the people, their email and the phone number. You can start calling them to qualify them and to know if you're going to put them in a nurture list or you book appointment, site inspection. I hope you've learned something new today from this video. If you have, don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed. And apart from that, check the description section below for opportunity for a free gift for you, opportunity to talk with me if you want help concerning running Facebook ads or doing marketing for your real estate business and improving your sales skills, your ability to close on the phone, ability to book appointments, anything to improve your real estate business so that you can sell more. You could just chat me or book an appointment with me, and it's free, and then we'll see what we can do to help you. See you in the next one. Go get more leads and close more deals.